Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to insert or embed YouTube videos in Canva. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you must gonna know that there are basically two ways to add YouTube videos in Canva. So the first method is you guys have to just simply go to app section. So here you guys can see the app section or you guys can see the embed here. But from your side, there should not be embed section, but you guys have to simply go to apps and click on search button. And here you guys have to just simply search for embed. After searching for embed, you guys have to just simply select the embed. And here you guys have to just simply paste the link of the video which you want to use. So I have already copied the link of the video, so I'm just gonna pasting it. So after pasting it, you guys have to just simply click on add to design. And here you guys can see our YouTube video has been added to it. And the second method of adding the YouTube video is you guys have to just simply go back to again apps. And here is the apps. You guys have to just simply search for YouTube. So after searching for YouTube, you guys have to just simply open it. So after opening it, here you guys have to just simply search for the video on the YouTube. So assume that I'm searching the car video. It basically opens the YouTube. So you guys have to simply select the video which you want to use in your Canva. So just click on the video. And here you guys can see our YouTube video has been added to Canvas. So in this way you guys can insert or embed YouTube video in your Canva. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.